In June 1795, every great house in Trelawney was required to keep enough buckets, water, and slaves to put out any fire on their plantations. The request from the colonial government was made during the Second War of the Maroons of Cudger Town in Trelawney. At that time, those who could afford to kept wells on their estates. The wells were no deeper than 10 feet. Although the wells were near enough to the sea, its water was drinkable. Slaves and others traveled to Martha Brae, a mile away from Falmouth, to catch water for domestic use around the properties. To ease the water problems, the Falmouth Water Company was established in the year 1799. The company was praised for finally reducing some of Falmouth's water supply problems. The water company built a dam and a water wheel was installed to take water through cast iron pipes from the water wheel to the dam in Water Square. Residents who didn't have a well on their property but benefited from the dam were charged a fire tax. The monies were collected to purchase a fire engine to help where there were no wells. Falmouth's first fire engine arrived in 1802. The engine cost £333 and 15 shillings. 150 water buckets were also purchased. The local government spent £295, 6 shillings and 8 pence to erect 12 water pumps for the fire engines.